Train your English voice to use adjective and preposition of. We use this combination when talking about feelings. Let's look at sentences with the feelings afraid, frightened, terrified, and scared. He is afraid of the dark. I am frightened of spiders. They are terrified of thunderstorms. You are scared of heights. Let's look at sentences with the feelings fond, proud, jealous, suspicious, conscious, and envious. He is fond of his little sister. She is proud of her achievement. They are jealous of the winner. He is suspicious of the neighbor's behavior. He is conscious of everyone's eyes on him. They are envious of his expensive paintings. Train your English voice to use adjective and preposition at. We use this combination when talking about skills. Let's look at sentences with the words good, bad, brilliant, better, and hopeless. We are good at football. They are bad at cleaning. She is brilliant at science.
He is better at maths than her.
You are hopeless at cooking. Train your English voice to use adjective and preposition to. We use this combination when talking about the connection between people and things. Let's look at sentences with the words married, engaged, similar, and different. She is married to my best friend. He is engaged to Mary from work. They are similar to the paintings I bought last week. You are different to your twin sister. Train your English voice to use adjective and preposition from, in, and on. We will look at words made, free, interested, keen, and dependent. Paper is made from wood. The air is free from pollution. I am interested in 17th century history. He is keen on coming over after work. I am dependent on public transport to get to work. Train your English voice to use adjective and preposition with and for. We will look at the words crowded, famous, and responsible. The room was crowded with football fans. She is famous for designing unusual wedding dresses. I am responsible for the snacks at the party.